right, Joe? All right, so we got some really good footage there. Man, super happy about how that one turned out. And this one is just gonna kind of swing across the world, but I'm okay with that because we don't have anything to really worry about in terms of like the swing and everything. So I'm okay. I'm okay with the swing. You know, the swing is justified right now. We got a really strong time point. We don't need to worry about it breaking out or whatnot. So yeah, I'm happy. Freaking loving my lanyard system right now. I actually switched the bottom to the top. The bottom to the top, which is the ART, now is on the upper hip D-rings, and on the lower Ds I got my the old classic setup right there with the ball bearing pulley for tending. Sorry, bro. Yep. Send that rope over, man, whenever you're ready. Yeah, I'm over here trying to like figure out what I'm gonna do next. So I think the next thing I'll do is I'll hop up in that tree and dismantle most of that with a rope, with this rope here, and yeah, that'll be pretty much it. see. That came out perfect. Solid, 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 solid. I love it. That tree next, but I don't know. I want to go with that one, this one. They're almost at the same height. Then I'm gonna go out on this one. So let me just sort of go ponytail over. And then I'll leave this rope in here just in case I want to use it for any reason or something. You know, might come up. Bad idea. Bad idea, folks. Bad idea. Here, look. This is proper right here. Okay, now we're talking. Punk. Oh wait, Joe. Joe. You think you could throw that over that crotch? Yeah. Yeah, throw it over that crotch, please. Whew, close. There you go. All right, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. I got it. All right, now bring it over to me. There we go. Thank you, sir. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do that. And that is your ponytail right there, baby. Thank you, freaking, oh, I forget what they're called. I forget her name, bro, but she needs credit. I don't think she came up with it, but that's where I learned it from. It's ambassador for Teufelberger. So, man, she's pretty popular climber. Forget her name though. Taught me this on YouTube, not in person, of course. Okay. Woohoo! Taking it nice and easy, man. hot out here. Gotta take it nice and easy. Yeah. I'm gonna put everything on into this tree here. So now I think I'm gonna, everything that ropes out of there is gonna be roped out of there, off of this tree itself. Because I just don't want to be swinging anything towards that filter. I could swing things away, yeah, but into it is not, it's a bad idea. Bad idea. Baby.